Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain why the Canadian Prime Minister resigned. Follow along as I break down the main allegations, political pressures, and procedural steps that led to the resignation. I'll summarize the timeline, the roles of rival parties, and public reaction in clear, simple terms. I'll also note immediate effects on policy and what voters should watch next. Let's walk through the key reasons behind the resignation in a clear, stepwise way. First, alleged misconduct and ethical questions undermined credibility among voters and colleagues. Second, growing splits inside the party amplified media scrutiny and reduced political capital. Third, parliamentary realities like lost votes and waning coalition confidence made continued leadership untenable. I'll explain how these factors combined and what signals to watch for in the coming political shifts. Quick recommendation: if you pack lunches while following politics, grab those leak-proof containers for stress-free meal prep and zero spills. They make weekday routines simpler and save cleanup time when debates run long. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more clear explainers. See the description for the link and other deals I found today. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I'll map the timeline and describe immediate impacts on governance and public debate. Early reports triggered investigations, followed by resignations and eroding confidence among MPs. This chain reaction forced urgent party meetings, stalled key legislation, and shifted media focus away from policy to process. Voters saw accountability tested, while opposition parties prepared for possible leadership contests or elections. Together, these effects reshape priorities and create uncertainty about near-term policy outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.